Hello friends, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin'Up, and today I'm going to show you how to do a floating frame. Learned that, I saw that in Facebook feed. It was Jennifer McGuire that I saw how she done that with flowers. And looking at all those butterflies, I'm like, I'm going to give it a try. So let's see how it's going to work. This is the designer series paper that it's part of the celebration called Botanical Butterfly. I'm using the butterfly duet punch. So you have to cut the butterfly from the paper. Here I get the little one, so I cut that all a bunch. I didn't want you to watch me cut all those. Why am I using a sticky post-it note? It is, I did a video how to make them work together there. It's just that when you cut them, see, you cannot reach. It's, you would have to put your finger. So with a post-it note, you put it in the back, slide it in, and see, now you can, this one I even went too deep. I cannot even reach it good. So put it in, and that's the perfect match. Voila. So you're going to do a bunch of them. You can do that with, like I said, Jennifer did it with flowers. I wanted to try, let me put this away, with butterfly. So now I got, this is just a piece of white cardstock in the bag, and I just put a bunch of butterfly on this, and I had to move it, so now I get a mess, but that's okay. Let's, and you see some of them are square, or not the full butterfly. That it's on your paper, you get some that are just partial. Well, it's perfect for this, because you're going to put it all on the sides. So I'm going to make sure they're lined up correctly there. And don't worry if it passes, because we're going to trim that. So put it all, put it the way you want, but don't worry if they pass the piece of cardstock, because really it should pass to make it easier. So now I think I'm going to make sure this one, the biggest job is to line up all your butterfly, really to punch it out and line it up. So it doesn't matter if you do butterfly or flowers, it's going to be the same principle. Use the press and seal. We're going to take a piece of this, and then you're going to see it's a side very much stickier than the other side. The side that is sticky, we're going to put that on. You know what? Let's put that little butterfly I just cut there, right there. We're going to take this, going to spread this the best that I can here. And I know this one overlap. I'm not going in to fix that. Now press that lovely here. Move this up. Nope, not the butterfly there. The whole thing. Turn this around. Now take your scissors. I like to use a big pair of scissors for this. And then we're going to cut that in the back so you can see where your paper finished. This, I want to make sure it's pressed good. Voila. So you want to go right at the edge there, because you want that straight. Gonna keep on. You want to give a good press so that it stays tight, because you know the sticky of the press and seal, that's what holds your butterfly together. So I'm gonna put that here, and then I'm gonna bring the big shot, and we're going to cut our frame. Okay, let's just make sure that all on this side it is straight here. That's why you want to look in the back of it. Okay, let me bring the big shot here. Okay, so I got my regular platform, I got my adapter, then I got a clear plate. Now, where did it disappear? Oh, right here, my goodness. Now I'm going to take this here. Here we go. And we're going to go ahead and peel this up this way. So the butterfly should stay on the press and seal. And you see some of it I didn't remove the, what it's called, the post-it note, but that's okay, it won't show. I'm going to take this. The only reason why I'm turning it around, it's because I'm using the rectangle stitch framelits. So to have the stitch on the right side. Now you're going to line that up the best that you can. I think that looked pretty good to me. Now I'm going to take my other clear plate. That looked cockeye a bit here. Here we go. Going to put the other plate. Let me pass this in the big shot. 2 seconds. Okay, now let's slide this. And let's, okay, here is the test. It should have cut. Okay, now we're going to take this. This one I can use it on another piece, okay? Turn this upside down. Now, another part that's going to be time consuming, it's going to be to put the, dimensional in the back of this. So let me put the dimensional and I'm going to be right back. Here I am, I'm back. So now I took all the backing and put the dimensional. We're going to use the same piece of Whisper white cardstock, and then we're going to lay that completely flat on top of this. Oops. One thing you want to make sure that it's straight, because after it's down, so I'm going to come here, put that right at the top, down, et voila. This one, it's off a bit, so if it's just a corner or so, then it's a lot easier to peel just one up. Stretch that up a bit, et voila. Now take your press and seal, take that out. So if you would have big flower with detail, you know, that would be easier because you don't have the bits and pieces. But watch this here, it's going to be wicked cool. Just peel that, peel that. I get a little piece, I'm not worried about that little tiny one there. There. So I think the bigger the butterfly is, or the easier it is. See, you get your frame. Now I had done this, I should have put that in first. So I'm going to cut that smaller and put it in there, my opening. So to see the finished card, just visit my blog at FrenchieStamp.com. You're going to have the link right below. And also I'm going to do a card with the other piece. So come and see what I'm going to finish with that. But that's how you do your open frame. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.